This is Mike Sedgwick with Hayden Outdoors Real Estate, and today we are in the Cross M Ranch, located in Big Timber, Montana. It's about 8 miles from the little town of Big Timber. We're an hour from Billings, Montana, and an hour to Bozeman, Montana. So we're only a couple miles from the Yellowstone River, which you can do a lot of rafting, fly fishing on. You can do a lot of recreating there. The Absorokee Beartooth, plenty of national forest up there to go hunting on. They have everything, including elk, and we're only 90 miles from Yellowstone Park if you want to go play around in Yellowstone. And Montana just has abundant resources to offer. This ranch contains 1,460 deeded acres, another 40 acres of BLM lease. It has another 110 acres of private lease, which is not guaranteed to transfer, but I know the owner would sure love to lease it out. It does have about 65 acres of irrigated hay ground. It sits along the upper Deer Creek, just southeast of Big Timber. As we were out and about today, we saw antelope bucks. We saw some big, nice mule deer bucks, some does. We also seen a bunch of turkey, and it has some brown trout in this creek that we're in right now. So the owner runs about 104 animal units. She has cow-calf pairs. She also runs about 25 head of horses and 5 bulls. With the water, you got full-time upper Deer Creek right here. You also have the reservoirs that we stopped at a little earlier today, and there is an irrigation ditch that they have about 11 water rights on, so the water rights do transfer. Any mineral rights that she has will transfer as well. It's kind of common in this area, but this ranch here has several springs that just pop up in the hills, and that's what flows into that reservoir and dumps into this upper Deer Creek here. So there's potential for growth there if you want to build up them springs, especially for livestock or cattle. For the recreational guy, you can certainly put food plots in here where the hay fields are. There's actually a lot of water that you can get to them, and you do very well with the whitetail and the mule deer in here, and the antelope will find it. And so this place is unique in that it has just about everything that you have. Out in the hills, it does have some sharp-tail, and there are some pheasants down along the creek beds here, but the sharp-tail is good hunting in this country. This ranch for 1,460 acres has plenty of water for whatever you need. You can certainly do the livestock, have a cattle operation, a small cattle operation, or you can run and manage it for wildlife, and it has all the resources here for that.
For a private qualified showing, contact Mike Sedgwick today.